You guys, today I am doing my own lash lift. I've gotten a lash lift once before professionally. This is one of those things that I do recommend you go see a professional who knows how to do it, just so you don't injure yourself or hurt yourself, especially since you're working around your eyes. But since I am in esthetician school and we learn a lot about different procedures and infection control and safety, I do feel confident in myself that I am able to do this. Just putting that out there as a disclaimer. But so I have these little sample packs. It comes with everything you need to know. It comes with different sizes of these that go on your eyelid. So I'm just going to get everything out that I need and make sure I have everything, and then we will get started. And I have these hydrogel eye patches. I'm just going to put them under my eyes, and while I put them under my eyes, I'm going to try to place them on top of my bottom lashes. I'm just trying to see which side will fit better. I'm going to try to place them on top of my bottom lashes so that I don't end up getting those ones mixed in with my top lashes. And then I'm just going to take a tiny bit of this micro pore tape. Could ever get it off, because I want to place it right at the corner where the bottom lashes couldn't be covered. I'm going to choose which size shield I think would be best. Okay, so the medium seems like it fits my eye the best. Okay, so now I just want to read the directions just to make sure I know what I'm doing. Okay, so we take, this is the bonding solution. We take this and we're going to put the bonding solution on the back of the shield so that we can stick it to our eyelid. And then I'm just going to close my eye. I'm going to apply a little bit of the bonder to the top of the shield. Just to apply it in small sections. And then I'm going to take this little applicator and just press. My lashes onto Okay, so now I have all the lashes onto the shield. So again, I've never done this before, so I'm hoping they are all like good on there how I did it, so we will see. So these little sachets, you have to massage them to get it to the right consistency. So this is the lifting cream. Now I hope I am doing this okay, because my only concern is I have some shorter lashes down here, and they didn't like reach all the way to like get glued onto the shield. And maybe they did get glued at first, but then they kind of came off. So I'm curious to see how that turns out, I guess. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, well, anyways, I'm leaving this on for like 6 minutes. Now I'm just removing that first part. Okay. And then the second one is the neutralizing lotion. So I'm just mixing that. Okay, and I'm just going to apply the neutralizing lotion. And then I'm just going to let that sit for 6 minutes. 6 minutes. So I'm going to remove that. And now it is time for the tint. So it's said to mix 2 centimeters of the tint with 6 drops of cream developer solution. So I don't really, like, what is 2 centimeters? I guess I'm just gonna guess. 2, perhaps, maybe, I don't know. I don't know. That's okay. Oh god, now I can't get this thing back on. And 6 drops of this. So then I'm gonna take this. I'm just gonna mix it all up. And then I'm just going to apply it all over my lashes. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave that for 5 minutes. Okay, so now it's been like 5 minutes and it has gotten much darker. I don't know if you can tell, but like here where I kind of dropped it, like that's turned black now, but good. That is what we wanted. So I'm gonna take a little cotton swab. So then the last step is to take the moisturizing serum and put that all over the lashes, and then you also want to put it on the back of the shield, and this will kind of break the bond between all of it. And I honestly just use these little, they're like disposable lipstick applicators. I think they just make it really easy to remove everything. And it's weird having that thing on your eye and only looking out one eye. Alright, so I have that eye done. I don't know if you can tell, but I'll come this way a little bit. So that eye is done. You can tell the difference between the two of them. Wow, that's actually like a major difference. Whoa. Oh my god, okay, I'm like low-key really proud of myself. Cool. Okay, so now that I'm done with that eye, I am just going to do the other eye off camera because it makes it a little bit easier and it's just me doing the exact same thing over again. So yeah. Wow, I'm like actually really surprised. And those little ones that I was worried about that like wouldn't curl up onto the shield, it's not like, it really doesn't even seem like it's an issue at all. So woohoo, perfect. Okay, so here is the finished result. I'm actually so happy with how they turned out. I do wish I would have done this part a little bit differently because it's kind of curled up instead of like out how this one is, but I think they look so good and I'm so happy with them. But thank you guys for watching this video, and if you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe and comment down below what kind of videos you want to see from me.